In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Temu using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to expect on your screen, and how to avoid common hiccups so your payment goes through smoothly. First, make sure you're ready. Have a stable internet connection. Keep both the Temu and GCash apps updated to their latest versions and ensure your GCash balance is enough to cover your total, including any fees or shipping. If your balance is low, top it up before you start the checkout process to avoid delays. Open the Temu app and shop as you normally would. When you're ready to place your order and you're on the checkout page, take a moment to review your items, delivery address, and any discount codes you might want to apply. When everything looks good and you're about to submit the order, look for the payment method section and select GCash. Choosing GCash here tells Temu you want to pay directly using your GCash wallet. After selecting GCash, tap to continue. The app will automatically redirect you to GCash. Don't worry if the screen changes or you see a loading screen for a few seconds. That's normal. If your device asks you to open GCash, confirm it. If you're already logged into GCash, you should land straight on the payment confirmation screen. If not, simply sign in as you normally would. On the GCash page, double-check the amount and the merchant details so you know you're authorizing the correct payment. Make sure your balance is sufficient right here. This is your last chance to confirm. Then, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your settings, you might be asked to confirm with your GCash PIN or biometric authentication. Just proceed as instructed. Once the payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to Temu. Give it a moment to refresh. You should see an order confirmation or a success message within the app. If the page takes a while to load, avoid pressing back or closing the app. Just let it finish syncing. If you don't immediately see confirmation, check your Temu orders page and your GCash transaction history to verify that the payment went through. A few quick tips. Keep your phone from going to sleep during the redirect and avoid switching apps mid-payment. If something times out, reopen Temu and try again calmly. That's it. Open Temu, choose GCash at checkout, let it redirect and follow the on-screen prompts. Simple, secure, and fast.